Hello, welcome to the channel. This is the Baron. Today we're going to open up a police bike car chase, number 60392. Now this is a set that I got from Amazon, which I'd made a video about how they decided to put it in a padded envelope with another shipment, so it got crushed. But that's okay, because we're going to open this thing up and put it together. So let's go. Well, maybe. All right, let's get in here. Whew, got some big pieces in here. All right, instruction book. There we go. Here goes the noisy bags. And as you can see, I changed and got a tablecloth for Legos. There we go. All right. Let's do some of the stuff we normally do, like put the tires together so it's less stuff rolling around, since we know exactly how that's going. With these rims, go right in there. Snap. Looks like a bicycle rim. Same situation. So you can't find one. There we go. Put that in there. And then the last bicycle or motorcycle. There we go. All right, got those out of the way. Let's find our people. All right, there's half the bad guy. There's half the good guy. I would assume that that's dark blue there, without getting out the instructions yet. And then I would make black pants there. All right, we got the bad guy with the hat. And then where is the other guy? Yep. Got the good guy with the sunglasses on and the helmet. And let's see what the instruction booklet says. Yep, pretty much it looks like I'm missing a visor. There it is. So we have a visor for the helmet. That's it. Then also it shows them having a pair of handcuffs, but you know, not going to be able to use that on a bike. So we'll set those aside. So there is our two people. Set them off. And then we can get going with the motorcycle. And it's got a frame. So step one, find the frame. Step two, put this part over the frame. So there's not very creative there. All right. Step three is this piece over the back, right there. Step four is finding the handlebars, which I do not see right offhand because they're right there. So the handlebars go in here, and then we're going to put a blue light on the back right here. That is it. Then it shows us to put the wheels on, which I'd already put the wheels together, so it shows to put the wheels together, then put the wheels on. It just snaps right in there, snaps right in there. Like I said, you can't hold these while you're driving a motorcycle, so it shows you to snap your handcuffs in the back right there. So that's the handcuff holder. That is it. Motorcycle is complete. Now you put your little dude on there and boom. So 5 parts for the motorcycle and you're done. Now we're going to make the car. This will be a little bit more to the car. We're going to immediately find the axles. So step 1 is finding this piece. Step 2 is getting the axles, flipping this over, putting them on. And those are going to go not to the front, but one down. All right, that's step 2. Step 3, I'm going to flip this over and put this piece right here. Step 4 is this piece at the end here. So I'm taking that, that's going to be the end. And of course the steps are mixed up. Step 5, we're going to put on bumpers for step 5. Right now, just in the back. And then step 6, we're going to put this across the back. Then step 7, we're going to add the steering wheel right here. Step 8, we're going to put this piece right here. Step 9, we've got these pieces to build the inside of the vehicle. Step 10 are going to be these going in here like this, creating more room inside. Okay, step 11. Now we do the front bumpers. So that's always fun. 1 and 2. And then step 12 is one piece right here. That is it for step 12. Step 13 is going to be a red piece. And then step 14 is going to be this piece. Step 15 is more sort of a fendery piece. Go over the top, sort of smooth everything out, make it look good. And then step 16, it's going to be 2 pieces. Yeah, I don't know why. Yep. So this piece here looks like a back, and then this piece here, but it looks like it's uneven. I don't know why that looks that way. But that is definitely the right piece. There we go. Snap that on. And then now we're going to 17. 17 is going to make the front of the vehicle, which is this piece here. We're going to take this piece here and put it on facing downwards, like that. Then we're going to follow that up with 2 headlights doing the same direction. So we got a downward slope. Whoops. Unless you lose them. All right. And then that is it. We're just going to attach that onto the front right there. Now number 18, we've got a piece that goes all the way across here. And that's it. 19, we get to put the windshield on. And windshield is going to take up just the first spot there, like that. now number 20. Number 20 is putting the front end of the cars on. I don't know why that's, there we go. That's supposed to be like that. And it doesn't look like I missed anything. Got a little bit of a gap I wouldn't be expecting. Oops. There we go. See, I still want that to go up in there, and I don't know. All right. There's an extra visor. There's some money. Now it basically shows putting the tires on, which we've already skipped ahead and done that. Putting the tires together and then snap them all on. That is 21 is putting the tires together. And 22 is putting the tires on. And then we've got the guy getting away in the car, or trying to. We got his loot. Yes, so throw his loot in the back. Wound up with a couple extra pieces, and there we go. There is our chase with the car and the motorcycle. So hopefully you're enjoying these videos. If you are, please like, subscribe, and all that fun YouTube stuff.